Hello everyone and welcome to our Facebook page. Today we will demonstrate how to make different beautiful crafts with paper. So at first we are making a scenery of our ice age. So you can see we have made the trees with the paper, and next we are making a snowman. We have also added the muffler to it, and next we'll make the hat. And after making the hat, we'll make the face and the body of the snowman. You can see we are adding the clothes, hands to it. Next we'll add some texture to make it look more real, and this is ready now. You can see we have also added the cotton. Next we will make some shapes by using the paper and some clays. You can see how we are making the body with the clay. We are using a pink color clay, and we can use any color clay to make the body, and this was so easy to make. We'll make some more of it, and third one with the different color, and this is ready with the shed and the grasses. Next we will tear some paper. You can see how we are tearing it to make the branch of the tree. You can see we are pasting the papers to the base, and after pasting it we will use pen to make the texture of the tree. Next we'll cut some green color paper to make the leaves, and the same way you have to paste it, and next we'll make the grass. And you can see the beautiful craft is almost ready. Next again we are using some clays, and we are pressing it, and after pressing we are rolling it to give it a look of a rose. You can see how beautifully we have made different color roses. Next we will make the bouquet out of it. We are also adding the leaves, and after adding the leaves we'll make the bouquet with the paper. You can see how we have folded it and made it, and the bouquet is ready now. Next we'll cut some papers. You can see as shown in the video, you have to cut it in the same way and paste it with each other. You can see the eggs are rolled with the green leaves. Yes. Next, after making the eggs, we'll make the base which will look like a leaf, and after making it we'll make the face of all the eggs, and now we'll decorate them. And after decorating, you can see this is ready with the hands. Next again we'll make some flowers on the paper by cutting some paper strips and pasting it with each other as shown in the video. After doing it, we'll roll the outer part as shown in the video with the earbud or toothpick, anything you can use, and you can see one flower is almost ready. After making a flower, we'll make another one in the same way, and next we will add the leaves to it and also some texture. So here we are using piece of cardboard, and we are cutting some leaf shape and we are pasting it on the cardboard. Next we will use some clay and we'll paste it on the leaves. And you can see we are rolling some small clay pieces, and we are making a flower and we'll paste it on the green clay, and this is ready now. Thank you very much for watching the video.